Hello everyone, in this video we are going to make multi-purpose storage for all your stationery and artist tools. Here are the list of things we're gonna use in the same. First is the ice cream stick, an empty hard box or case. I'm using my mobile box, ice cream sticks, all-purpose glue and scissor. First we'll take the box. I'm already using the same for using all my unwanted stuff. I think I can use some of the card sheets in this further to make some painting or something. So here are some earrings, beads and colors. So we will use just the case of the box as a base for our holder. And I have chosen designer sticks. You can also use the plain basics one which you get easily in the market. Okay, we will stick it side by side using that glue. You can also use that normal glue. That will also work well for this. So I wanted some height for the same and I have sticked it, leaving half of the space. You can do it as per your design and convenience. This is a very basic version of stand. So here what it looks like from one side. Likewise we will do it for all the four sides. So if you use this design sticks, it will give a particular pattern to it. And if you use the basic one, that will also be good. You can also paint it further as per your choice and taste. So I'm putting it horizontally first, then I will move towards the vertical ones. It will look somewhat like this. Make sure you keep the base lying on the surface, plain surface, once it's done, so that it gets that hold and sticks nicely. Okay, here it is. Both the sides are done. Now we will do the other two sides. So I have not made it even boundaries. In the front I have sticked it from the bottom, and at the back I have sticked it from half of the width of that box. Now on the sides I want a diagonal look. On one side I'm making it stick horizontal and the other side. This is almost done, and now we will take a round box maybe for pen holder. I have taken the Pringles box, which I'm gonna cut into 3 parts so that I can give partition in my stands for keeping different stuff separately and much arranged than a normal pen stand. We will cut it into 3 using a paper cutter. Here it is. You can even it later by using a scissor if you're not able to cut it evenly at one go. So there are 2 things which are with base, and one is hollow and empty from both the sides. But that does not matter as the stand already has a base, so I'm just using it for partition. So in this width I can fit only 2. There it is. Now I'm gonna show you keeping some of my basic stationery in it. This is how it looks, and this is much spacious and functional than a pen stand you get it. So guys, here is the final product. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more such updates and tutorial videos.